In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on Hubstaff. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down until you see it's going to say Financials, and you want to click this arrow next to it to actually expand. There we go. And then here, the penultimate option, second to last, is Invoices. Click on the Invoices. And then here you have an option to actually create a new invoice by clicking on this blue button, which says New Invoice. And here you'll have to then set up and build your invoice by first, of course, you can go ahead and put on the logo of your organization, and then you can select the client here, the issue date, the due date, the invoice number, the PO number, and then over here you have the description, total hours, unit price, amounts, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do here. You could also add items if you want to, and you could also generate line items if you want. And then here, of course, you could see the total, the tax 1, tax 2, discount, and then the grand total, and then you could save this as a draft or save it and send it to somebody. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.